Hello, hi, myself Jignasha. I'm from the tour operator from Sri Lanka, and see, I'm going to give you a little bit guide for the Sri Lanka. If you are aware for the some few destinations, that would be very fine. But I'll just give you little bit guidance for the place and the things for the Sri Lanka. Okay, there is an airport here in a Colombo. So you arrive once you arrive on a Colombo, you have to get two options, two or three options for the packages. Maybe you can go to the Sigiriya Dambula. There is a Ramana palace, and Dambula is a caves which is Ram, Lakshman, and Jambuwan, and then they are sleeping. Okay, there is a Candy. Candy is a Vibhishan palace, and that is called the Relic Tooth Temple. So you can visit over there. It's a Ramayana, one of the Ramayana places there. And then Candy, you can go via Candy, Novara Elia. So Novara Elia is a little bit England city, and Candy is a culture city. So you can go to the Little England in Sri Lanka. You can visit. Okay, it's a very fine and very beautiful Nuvarailia is, and there is a one scenic train. You will have it from Nuvarailia to Illa in the morning. Train you have to take 7 o'clock. Okay, then from that you have to buy a visit Illa. You have to go to the national park here in a Katargama. Okay, and after Katagama, you have to come to the here Merisa, Gale, Veligama here. Okay, and then Gale is here. That is a fort. 9 meter wall is there in this Gale. It's a Christian area. Then you have to come to the Bantota. Tatal has factory and all sightseeing, and then come to the Colombo. So you can take a 2 night here, 1 night here, 1 night here, 1 night here, and 1 or 2 night here in Mirisa. So you can have to south down some sightseeing and all, and then you have to come back to the Bentota to the Colombo. Colombo is a main city for the arrival airport. That is a Bandaranaike airport. Okay, how is the destination? This is good one, right? Thank you very much.